Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Today we are going to have lecture number 20 and exercise 4.1, question number 4. Evaluate x cube y minus 2z over xz for part number 2, x and y and z is given. Actually, we have two parts and I have selected second part for you, and you can solve by yourself. First part will be easy for you. Using values of x, y and z. Using values of x, y and z here in given expression. What is x cube? X cube means minus 1 cube and y is minus 9. Minus 2 into z is 4. Whole divided by x, value of x is minus 1 and value of z is 4. Dear students, this is minus 1 power 3 and this is the odd power. In case of odd power, it is always remain the same sign. What is written? Here is minus 1 into minus 9 and minus 4 to the 8 divided by plus minus minus 4 on the 4. Minus minus plus 9 on the 9. 9 minus 8 over minus 4. You can write down 1 over minus 4 or it can be written as minus 1 over 4. Dear students, remember that this negative sign means actually you can write down minus a over b as minus a over b as a over minus b. They are all same. Remember that. Negative sign up with numerator, negative sign at the center and negative sign down, they are all equal, so that's why we can write down logically minus 1 over 4. That is your answer. After that, we have part number B. Part number B is x square y cube five z 4 over x, y and z, where the values are for x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to minus 1. So we have to apply these values. x4, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Using values of x, y and z. Here, what is value of x? X is 4. So you will write down 4 square. Into y cube mean minus 2 whole cube. Minus 5 into z. Z is minus 1 power 4. Here is x 4 into y is minus 2 and z is minus 1. 4 square is 16. Minus 2 cube. Remember that this power 3 is odd power, so negative will remain as it is. So minus 2 cube mean minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 and minus minus plus 5 on the 5. And here is minus minus plus 2 on the 2, 2 4 is the 8. And you have minus yes, here will be, basically remember that minus 1 power with 4. 4 is even power. Even will make it positive. So that's why plus 1 into 5, it will be minus 5. Here is 16 into minus 128 minus 5 over 8. This will be minus 133 over 8. You can leave this answer at minus 133 over 8, or even you can divide and write down in the mixed fraction. So in this way you can complete your answer. I hope that you understood different parts, how to use the values, how will you evaluate the algebraic expressions. After that, we have question number 5. Perform the indicated operation and simplify. Perform indicated operation and simplify. Number 1 is 15 over 2x minus 3y minus 4 over 3y minus 2x. Dear students, you can check the denominators. They are same, 3y, 3y, 2x and 2x, but there is a problem with sign. Problem with sign. Here 3y negative, here it is positive. 2x positive, here it is negative. It's very easy to convert into the same signs by taking minus common. Remember that I am taking minus common, so in this way the internal sign will change. Minus multiplied inside, sign will change. Minus taken out common, sign will change. Here is minus 2x. When you take minus common, this minus 2x will become plus 2x. And here this plus 3y will become minus 3y. And after that, 15 over 2x minus 3y minus minus plus 4 over 2x minus 3y. Now, dear students, you can check the denominator. That is same. So, you can take one as LCM. You can take one as LCM out of these two, 2x minus 3y. Now, this is divided by this. You got 1 and 1 is multiplied by 15. Similarly, this is divided by this and you get 1 and this is 4. Here is 19 over 2x minus 3y. This is the simplified form of your given expressions. I hope that you understand this step. One point is important, that you will take negative commons so that the sign, internal sign will change, and then it will be easy for you to simplify and take one out of these two. Take any one as an LCM and then simplify. After that, we have part number 2 and 3. We can do part number 2. 1 plus 2x or 1 minus 2x minus 1 minus 2x over 1 plus 2x. Now, my dear students, you can take directly LCM, and in case of LCM, you will take separate terms in multiplied form, and similar term will be taken one time. Again, I am repeating, this is the rule how to take LCM. If you have different terms, then you will write down in multiplied form, and if you have similar, then you will take one as a LCM. Here is 1 minus 2x, 1 plus 2x, they are different. So you have 1 minus 2x and 1 plus 2x as LCM. Here, this is divided by this 1 minus 2x. This LCM is divided by this number. 1 minus 2x and 1 minus 2x cancelled out. This left, and you will have 1 plus 2x into 1 plus 2x. Then minus, similarly, this is divided by this. 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x cancelled out. This left. And it will be multiplied above. 1 minus 2x and 1 minus 2x. can write down, here is 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x 2 times, and it is better to write down 1 plus 2x whole square minus 1 minus 2x whole square, whole divided by 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 2x. After that, my dear students, I have given you the formula before we started this chapter. Before we started exercise 4.1, I gave you different formulas. Here is the formula. And remember that which formula is suitable for you to apply. Basically, whenever you, first of all, you have to select the correct formula, then it will be, you can say, it will be very easy to understand and simplify the question. Here is formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. You have this formula. Remember that I have written this formula before we start our exercise. This was your required formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Same formula, same terms, but there is a negative sign in the center. Okay? So what you will write down? 4ab. A mean 1, b mean 2x. Here is a, this is b. 4a and b. Remember that formula. So basic thing is, you have to select the correct formula according to given data, according to the question. And here is, one's negative, one's positive. You can check right hand side. If you want to move left hand side, first square minus second square. This is the combination. So I told you sometimes you have to move from left to right and right to left. Here in this case, you have to move from right to left. What you will write down? A square minus b square. A is 1, b is 2x, first square minus second square. Here is 8x over 1 minus 4x square. Remember, this square is on both. 2 square is 4x square, and that is your answer. This is your last simplified answer, and after that we cannot simplify, and this is your last rational expression. I hope that you understood these things. First of all, you took the LCM, then we have written, after dividing this, then 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x left. Here is 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x. After that, combine them with same power because bases are same, powers are added. And after that, I told you about this. Sometimes you open this formula, then multiply with the negative sign. You will do sometime the sign mistake of sign. So that's why it is better to apply this formula, and you have this valid formula. So that's why we are applying directly this formula. First, this is first and this is second. This is first and this is second. Look, first and second, there is a negative sign between that, and power is 2 and 2 above. So this will be 4ab. A mean 1, b mean 2x. And this is first square minus second square. Actually, this is the formula number 2 from right to left. From right to left. And then after simplification, you get this answer. After that, we have for part number 4, x over x minus y and minus y over x plus y minus 2xy over x square minus y square. Dear students, first of all, you will take the LCM of first two terms. Here is, they are different, x minus y, x plus y, and last term as it is. You write down last term as it is. X minus y, x plus y, this is LCM. Divide this by x minus y. Divide LCM. You can divide. Look here. Divide this LCM by this number. You cancel out. We are left with x plus y. This x plus y will come up and multiply x like this. Similarly, when this is divided by this one, this is cancelled out, x minus y left. So y into x minus y. After that, open up the brackets. X square plus xy minus xy and plus y square divided by, remember this is right hand side of your formula number 2. Look, x minus y, x plus y. Here is a minus b, a plus b. If you want to move to the left hand side, then what you will write down here, a square minus b square mean x square minus y square. Minus 2xy over x square minus y square. Here plus xy and minus xy cancelled out. Dear students, after that, what you will take? Again you will take the LCM x square minus y square both, so you will write down one time. This is divided, this is cancelled with this one, we are left with x square plus y square, and this is cancelled with this one, what left? Minus 2xy. So after that, dear students, check the numerator. Check your numerator. Again, this is your right hand side of your first formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Order is not important, it can be written after and in the center, no problem. So a square minus 2ab plus b square will be equal to left hand side a minus b whole square. And what you will write down here, x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square. This numerator is like this right hand side to left hand side. And down is x square minus y square. You can write down x minus y whole square divided by, again, x square minus y square. Here is your left hand side now. This left hand side is shifted to right hand side simply by removing 2 and 2, once negative and once positive. One power is cancelled with this bracket. Actually there are two, x minus y into x minus y. So one cancelled out, x minus y over x plus y. This is your answer. So I hope that first of all I have taken LCM of first two terms, simplified, applied the formula, then last time again we have taken the LCM second time, and after cancellation, applying the formula after cancellation, we got that x minus y over x plus y. I hope that you understood. After that, we have part number 5 and 6, and I think we can do part number 6. 1 over x minus 1, minus 1 over x plus 1, minus 2 over x square plus 1, minus 4 over x 4 minus 1. With the same technique, we will take LCM of first two, x minus 1, x plus 1, third and fourth term as it is. Again, you divide this by this one, x minus 1, x minus 1 cancelled out, we are left with x plus 1. Similarly, this is one outside, no need. If you write down, no problem, that is not wrong. Again, this is divided by this x plus 1 cancelled out, and we are left with minus 1 into x minus 1. Here, open up the bracket, x plus 1 minus x plus 1. Divided by, now you have x minus 1, x plus 1. This is your right hand side of second formula. If you want to move to the left hand side, first square minus second square. First square x square minus second, one square mean 1. Here is this one. Minus 2 over x square plus 1 minus 4 over x4 minus 1. Here is 2 over x square minus 1. It was first square and second square. Minus 2 over x square plus 1 and minus 4 over x4 minus 1. After that, again you will take the LCM of first two terms. X square minus 1 and x square plus 1 minus 4 over x4 minus 1. This is cancelled. X minus 1 cancelled out, and we are left with x square plus 1. This will be 2 into x square plus 1 and minus 2 into, this is cancelled with plus, we are left with x square minus 1. Dear students, open up the brackets. 2x square plus 2 and minus 2x square plus 2 divided by x square minus 1, x square plus 1, and exactly the same like formula number 2. This is right hand side, first square. What is first square? X square whole square minus second square minus 4 over x4 minus 1. This is cancelled out. Here is 4 over x4 minus 1 minus 4 over x square 4 minus 1. Take LCM. X square 4 minus 1, x square 4 plus 1. This is cancelled with this one. Oh, sorry, this is negative. So we will take 1 as LCM. Okay, x4 minus 1, they are same, taken as 1. Okay, this is cancelled with that, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 cancelled out, 0 over x4 minus 1. 0 over something is equal to 0, that is your answer. I hope that you understood. Step-wise we moved. First two, we have taken LCM, simplified. Then for second and third, we have taken LCM, then simplified, and at the end we combined that last term and then took LCM and simplified. So in this way, we can solve other parts. After that, we will move to our next question. Question number 6. Perform indicated operation and simplify. X square minus 49 into 5x plus 2 over x plus 7. Dear students, first of all, you will check this first bracket, and there is a possibility that you may write down in the correct shape of the formula number 2. How? There is a negative sign in the center, and even you can write down first square and second square like that. So you may write down x whole square minus 7 whole square. Now this has become the shape, left side of that formula. 5x plus 2 over x plus 1. Here, this is your left hand side of the formula number 2. Remove 2 and 2, one's negative and one's positive. X plus 7 cancelled out because there is a dot mean multiplication sign between them. So x minus 7, 5x plus 2, that is your answer. So in this way, this is your simplified answer. I hope that you can understand these questions in different parts, and you can solve the parts which I left for you by using these formulas. I hope that You can do it very easily. If you have any problem, don't worry. You can contact me and inshallah we can do it. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.